Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. And I hope you are learning at home. You have studied, you have read that lesson, parts of a computer, up to page number 10. And today we will learn forward in the same lesson, chapter 2, parts of a computer. So, dear children, before we begin, let us get ready with the book and pencil. We will do the activity, dear children, from page number 11. So, open your book and open page number 11 and hold the pencil in your hands. Here, we have to complete the names of the parts of a computer we have learnt in our previous class. So, number 1 is, it starts with M and it shows you picture like a TV screen. So what can we write to it? What can be the name of this picture? Yes, it can be monitor. So what is the spelling of monitor? You have to learn also. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Okay. So the number 1 was monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R. The next is, it looks like a box. What do we call it? It's CPU. Yes, it's called as CPU. It is also known as Central Processing Unit, brain of the computer. The third picture is, see, it has many keys. Who has many keys? Keyboard. So the spelling of keyboard is K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, K-E-Y, key, B-O-A-R-D, board, keyboard. You have to mug up these spellings, you have to learn these spellings carefully. And last one is, it looks like a mouse. So what do we call it? It is a pointing device and its name is mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Learn by writing, okay? And you need to practice these spellings. You need to learn these spellings carefully. So hopefully you all will do this book exercise in your books, page number 11, carefully. Now let us start further class. So today we are going to start page number 11, some other parts of a computer. Apart from 4 basic parts of a computer, they were monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We have some more other parts of a computer who helps computer to process and to function well. What are they? Number 1 is speakers. These are speakers. We use these to listen to sound and music on a computer. You can enjoy your game voice, you can enjoy any music, you can enjoy song, you can watch movies using speaker, you can listen the audio of the movie as well. So these are the device, we call it speakers. Next is printer. Printer looks like this. This is known as printer. It produces a copy of the work done on a computer to a sheet of paper. Means whatever you type using keyboard, if you want to get it in the piece of paper, you can use printer. Printer can print colored pictures, printer can print black and white text. It depends upon the quality of your printer. It is given on page number 12 in your books. Next is scanner. Scanner looks like this picture. A scanner lets you transfer text or images from a sheet of paper to a computer. It means, suppose if I want the same front page of your book to be transferred into monitor screen. So I will use a device called scanner. The same picture of your book will reflect me in the computer using monitor. Nowadays printers are coming with inbuilt scanner, so they can produce both the things. They can print as well as they can scan. Do you know modern printer can print also as well as it can scan as well. Next is, do you know that in your keyboard generally two sets of number keys are present? One you can see in the right corner in every keyboard, whether you have a desktop or laptop, you can get in the right corner, and second one is at the first topmost row of the keyboard. So every keyboard you can get two sets of number keys. Okay, now who is going to tell me which part of our body works like a CPU? What do you think? Which part of our body works like a CPU? So yes, it is brain. Because with brain we think what to do, what not to do, what to lift, how the hands are moving, how the legs are moving forward, how we eat. So everything who takes care? Brain takes care. Every functioning in our body, who takes care? Brain takes care. Brain controls each and every part of our body. Similarly, in computer, CPU controls each and every part of the computer system. It manages each and every activity of the computer system. So I hope, dear children, you have learned carefully the parts of a computer as well as the other parts of a computer. The basic parts which we have learned, I am showing you right now in the picture: monitor, keyboard, mouse, speakers, CPU, printer and scanner. These all are the computer parts, help the computer to function well. So you have to read page number of the book 11 and 12 carefully, and we will meet you in the next class. There we will solve the book exercise. Till that time, read the lesson carefully, understand the topic, and you may ask in the further class if you have any doubt. So dear children, take care for that time. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe, have healthy diet. God bless you all. Have a nice day.